Hey guys, so here at Xtreme, today we have a Mercedes S63 that we did a lot of work to it. On this one, let's start with the paint. So when the customer first came in, he was not happy about the condition of the paint. It had a lot of swirls, a lot of scratches. Backstory is that he usually takes the vehicle to a hand car wash, but even at that point, the paint was getting pretty scratched up. So what we did is we did what we called our enhancement. Enhancement is a two-step correction. So heavier compound, heavy pad, and then polish the paint to get the results that we got. We probably put about 8 hours, maybe 10 hours of actual correction time. So it was a lot of work. After that, then we asked the question, how are you gonna protect the paint? So he ended up going with a level 4. So essentially the level 4 is gonna be full body paint protection film. So at that point, he doesn't have to worry about all those scratches, swirls, and all that, because remember the paint protection film has a self-healing. So if there's any scratching on it, the sun or the heat will actually bring it back to its normal state. He wasn't happy with the tints, and we removed the tints that he had on it previously, and we ended up going with 5% Pinnacle in the 2 front doors, quarters, and back glass. It was a long process, so at this point, of course, we did what we do best, did a nice video on it about all the process. Stay tuned, check out the whole process, and guess what? Like and subscribe.
Fumble a bag, now I will not fumble a bag. Fumble a bag, now I will not fumble a bag. Act like you know how this goes. Fumble a bag, now I will not fumble a bag. Act like you know how this goes. Like you know how this goes. Fumble a bag, now I will not fumble a bag. Act like you know how this goes.
All right guys, as I mentioned, this one's getting level 4 paint protection film and window tint. Also is getting a correction. On this one, we're gonna do what we call our enhancement. So essentially what an enhancement does, it's a 85% improvement of the paint. It's already washed, decon, clayed. So now it's time for us to assess the paint to see, we have our trusty light here, to see the condition of the actual paint itself. Believe me, it's seen better days, but that's why the vehicle's here. Of course, it's a black vehicle. Customer says that he usually takes it to get hand washed. I do not see an actual pattern of a machine, so I believe him. I think that's what it does. It just, whoever's hand washing the vehicle, it's doing not a good job. So 2 bucket method, clean bench, clean water always. Otherwise, we're gonna end up like this. The good thing is that we're gonna go over, we're gonna do a 2-step correction on it. And then after we're done with that one, then we're gonna do a full body paint protection film. So it's gonna be a long process, so keep watching.
do it like that. Don't give it to me. Yeah, don't give it to me. Don't give it to me. Yeah, don't give it to me. Just you and me, we're moving to the beat. Just you and me, we're generating heat. And if you wanna go, won't you go my way? No need to hurry now, it'll all be okay. Side to side, then front to back. I love it when you do it like that. Don't give it to me. Yeah, don't give it to me. Don't give it to me. Yeah, don't give it to me. Yeah,
Mamacita, ¿cómo hacemos así? Tu cuerpo es fuego para mí. Dulce de leche, venga para aquí. Mamacita, no quiero compartir. Cuando entro a un club yo me veo original. Como la luna que brilla, nadie puede igualar. Me miro de reojo, yo no puedo controlar. Sé que quieres acercarte, pero temas al final. No me llames a lo Kitty, pero puedo ser tu Kitty. Hacemos algo kinky, na na na. Todo esto muy freaky, en la cama soy muy sneaky. Yo te hago wiki wiki, na na na. Mamacita, ¿cómo hacemos así? Tu cuerpo es fuego para mí. Dulce de leche, venga para aquí. Mamacita, no quiero compartir. Okay. Cuando me miras, ya, tu cuerpo que es mala. Mami, ven pa' aquí, quiero comerte. Y tu boca me hace mal, mami, no piensa más. Quiero perderme en ti, mami, ven pa' aquí. Dale.
Malca, ella no sabe, pero esta canción va a ser super hit, ¿me entiendes? Pon este beat de nuevo.
Mamacita, ¿cómo hacemos así? Tu cuerpo es fuego para mí. Dulce de leche, venga para aquí. Mamacita, no quiero compartir.
Damn, I'm cold, I'm so clean. Look at me go, yeah, get on my team. Been on a roll, I got what I need. Look at me, I go, look at me, I go in. Damn, I'm cold, I'm so clean. Look at me, I'm so fresh, so clean. Bringing it on, stack it with ease. Look at me, I go, look at me, I go. Ay. You know it's going down right now. Ay. Yeah, we bout to turn it up. One time for the one time. Ay. Talk that talk for me one time. Me and you another same, that's no lie. Different shit, I be putting it in motion. I got it stacked to the rim, ay. All I do is touch that rim, ay. And get a cut from the wind, ay. And we ain't nothing like them, ay. Yeah, that's really in my DNA. Yeah. Damn, I'm cold, I'm so clean. Look at me go, yeah, get on my team. Been on a roll, I got what I need. Look at me, I go, look at me, I go in. Damn, I'm cold, I'm so clean. Look at me, I'm so fresh, so clean. Bringing it on, stack it with ease. Look at me, I go, look at me, I go. I'm stacking it with ease. I do what I please. Anything I do better than you know this. Every time I pull up, yeah, they notice. I stand up for the crowd, know you want some of this. From the top to the bottom, yeah, I got it going on.